two right circular cones, their heights known as 4.1 and 4.3, and the radius of their base is 2.1. We know the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? The volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? The volume of cone, right? Similarly, the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? If here the sphere's radius is r, then we need to find the value of diameter here, d, that is equal to times r, right? So in this question, it's very simple that right circular cones, they have been melted together and recast into a sphere. So as per the question, we are given with the condition that the two cones are melted and then a sphere is formed. So the volume of the two cones will be equal to the volume of the sphere, right? So how we will do it? Let us see. You know the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So the volume of the first cone and the volume of the second cone will be added up, right? And this will be equal to the volume of the sphere, right? So let us put up the answer values over here. 1 by 3 pi into r square, that means 0.1 whole square 4.1 h, right? This will be added with the volume of the second cone, that is 1 by 3 pi 2.1 square h is 4.3, and this will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of this sphere, r, right? R. Now just solve it. What we will do? We will take some commons. How? Let us see. We'll take some common. Well, what we will take? We will take 1 by 3 pi here, both in here also and here also, both the terms of LHS. And even we can bring 2.1 square as common, right? So in the bracket we are left with 4.1 plus 4.3, and this is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So let's do one thing. You can see the numbers here we can deduct is 1 by 3, and here 3 will be cancelled out, and pi will also be cancelled out, right? So we are left with 4.1 plus 4.3, that is 8.4, and 0.1 square 8.4 equal to r cube. Now, the radius of the sphere can be calculated by just taking the cubic root of the LHS, right? Radius of the sphere. So, what will be the cubic root of the LHS? Let us see. 2.1 square into 8.4. What we will do? 2.1 0.1 0.1 8.4, right? This can be written as 21 by 10, 21 by 10, 84 by 10, and 84 can be written as 21, right? So 21 into 21 multiplied, and in the denominator we have 10 into 10 into 10. So calculate we are left with one more term, this 4. This 4 is left over, right? So this 4 will be the denominator of the calculation, right? This 1 by 4. And this 4 will be cancelled out by 4 will be cancelled out by this 4 into the numerator. 4 into the numerator and denominator will be cancelled out, and we are left with 21 into 21 into 21, that is 21 by 10 whole cube equal to r cube. So therefore r, taking cubic root on both these sides, we are left with r equal to 21 by 10 and diameter equal to r. That means equal to 2 into 21 by 10, that is 42 by 10 equal to 4.2 centimeter, right? So here the correct answer is 4.2 centimeter. This one, 4.2 centimeter, the radius of sphere, 4.2.